Come see the top undiscovered drummers in the country as they compete for the opportunity to move one step closer to being crowned Guitar Center's Drum Off Champion. The grand prize includes $25,000 cash, thousands of dollars in gear from the top drum manufacturers, endorsement deals, and more. Store finals take place October 2nd, quarterfinals on October 30th, and don't miss the semifinals on November 20th, featuring guest performances and a special Roland product showcase. See a sales associate or visit guitarcenter.com/drumoff for more details.